Hi, it's Larry James, SpeakWithLarry.com. I want to talk today about your skill set, your skills necessary to stand out in your field of expertise. What skills are needed for you to do that? Do you know? Because that's necessary for you to be successful in what you select as becoming known for, or the area that you want to be an expert in. You need to know what skills are necessary to make you accomplish whatever it is that those skills require. In other words, if you want to be a speaker, you need to understand delivery, you need to understand tonality, you need to understand pauses, you need to understand the whole gambit of how everything works so that you can be successful in that. Are you following me? Well, keep following me and I'll keep guiding you. SpeakWithLarry.com.